In the heart of East Africa lies a nation that has truly redefined what it means to overcome. This is a country whose journey from adversity to prosperity is a testament to the human spirit, filled with surprising good things and an enduring vision for the future. Rwanda is globally celebrated as a sanctuary for some of the planet's most magnificent creatures, the mountain gorillas. Tucked away in the misty Virunga Mountains of Volcanoes National Park, these critically endangered giants thrive thanks to Rwanda's unwavering commitment to Rwanda's successful conservation model serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating how dedicated efforts and community engagement can bring a species back from the brink, turning a once dwindling population into a growing symbol of hope. The story of Rwanda is one of remarkable transformation. From a tragic past, the nation has emerged with an extraordinary spirit of unity and resilience. Its capital, Kigali, is lauded as one of Africa's cleanest, safest, and most innovative cities, a hub of technology and sustainable development. This incredible journey of healing and growth showcases a country that has chosen hope over despair, demonstrating the powerful capacity of people to rebuild and forge a brighter collective future. There's a strong focus on renewable energy and environmental protection, making Rwanda a leader in sustainable practices on the continent. This dynamic spirit of innovation, coupled with a deep respect for its natural resources, is positioning Rwanda as a model for progress in Africa and beyond. Rwanda is truly a beacon of hope and resilience. It's the profound gaze of a mountain gorilla, the pristine streets of a thriving capital, the endless beauty of its green hills, and the powerful spirit of a united people. It's a country that defies expectations, inspires admiration, and proves that from profound challenges can emerge extraordinary beauty and progress.